KBHN is so pleased to be part of this Congress, and we've worked very hard to have a truly integrated programme where our researchers, our partners and our families have the opportunity to present their work on the world stage to a global audience. Thank you for your commitment to research excellence and to commitment to implementing knowledge to action.
DOHaD research over the next few years and over the next few days during the conference will feature many Canadian researchers supported by the Government of Canada through various agencies and initiatives. One good example is Kids Brains Health, one of the event's partners, which is driving research and knowledge mobilization to enable optimal care and better outcomes for children with neurodevelopmental disabilities and their families. I really want to underscore the importance of investing in child health and reiterate our joint support for the incredible work being done by the global DOHaD community. Whether it is by funding critical research or providing financial support to parents, we all want to continue to invest in the future of our children.